Hey all IoT hackers, greetings from EXPLIoT Academy. Well, in the last decade, the field of low-level programming and reverse engineering has seen tremendous growth and importance in the world of embedded tech. Why? Well, because of the increase in number of smart devices, embedded systems, and mobile phones. Do you know that majority of these smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, wearable devices, and even autonomous vehicles use ARM-based processors and microcontrollers? Evidently, it is one of the most widely used instruction set architecture in the world of embedded technology. On the other hand, reverse engineering is the process of analyzing and deconstructing software to understand how it works. These skills are crucial for security researchers, penetration testers, red teamers, and forensic analysts from a security perspective. As more and more sensitive data is handled and transmitted through these devices, the need for skilled reverse engineers to analyze the code running on these devices, identify vulnerabilities, is becoming increasingly important and critical. To meet this growing demand, it is essential to have a deep understanding of ARM assembly language and the corresponding reverse engineering techniques. It is only with these skills that you will be able to tackle real-world challenges in the field. For enthusiast learners, there needs to be a structured approach to learning these skills. And that is why I have decided to share my knowledge on ARM assembly reverse engineering with you all. And so, I'm delighted to present our newest course on EXPLIoT Academy, Practical ARM Assembly and Reverse Engineering. In this course, I have covered all the critical fundamentals such as ARM instruction set itself, procedure call convention, memory access, ARM and thumb nuances, and much more. Not just that, the course is filled with demonstrations specifically designed to give you a practical hands-on experience. With these labs, you can perform reverse engineering and know how to implement the knowledge gained in real-world scenarios. I'm extremely excited to invite you all to learn practical ARM assembly and reverse engineering and would love to have you guys on board. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link and start your learning journey in ARM assembly. Thank you very much and see you soon on the EXPLIoT Academy platform.